Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by installing FL Studio and opening audio settings to configure sound. Choose an SEO driver for lowest latency and stable performance. Set the sample rate to 44/100 Hz for standard audio fidelity. Set the buffer size to 256 samples to balance latency and CPU load during recording. Enable 64-bit processing if your computer and plugins support it for larger memory use. Set the audio device to your interface and test input levels before you record anything. Begin composing by adding channel rack instruments and creating a pattern. Program drums in the step sequencer and move melodic ideas to the piano roll. Use the piano roll to draw notes and quantize to 1/16 or 1/32 for tight timing. Name tracks and color code them to organize up to 16 patterns initially. Set the project tempo to a number like 128 BPM for dance genres. Arrange patterns in the playlist using 4 or 8 bar pattern lengths to build sections. Route every channel to a dedicated mixer track for independent control and processing. Balance levels so individual tracks peak around -6 dB to preserve headroom. Insert equalizers and compressors on tracks to shape tone and control dynamics effectively. Use send channels for reverb and delay to create depth without duplicating CPU load. Automate volume and plugin parameters to create movement across the arrangement and transitions. When ready, export the full song as WAV at
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.